Good morning, my dear viewers, here from Estonia, Tartu. It's raining and this is the first test here for Rufus and me, testing out my outdoor equipment. I've got a rain poncho here and I stopped filming now because everything is getting wet, even my cell phone, my GoPro cam, so I have to adapt to this weather. That's what I was looking for. I like it. And now you need really good equipment and we will see. Okay, so let's go on. Und heute Mittag gibt es die Reste von gestern zu essen. Gekochte Kartoffeln und Karotten, Hähnchenbrust und schwarze Bohnen. Und lecker Hühnchen für Rufus. Outside with Rufus hiking and it's raining again. Luckily I have my rain jacket with me, but rain trousers and so on would be better. It's really heavy rain. Did not expect it, but I have to learn this, that it can here rain immediately. All right, look at that. That's it for today, my dear viewers. It's a really nice weather over here. So I will hike a little bit more with Rufus and then at home I will drink a hot cup of tea and make it cozy. With my videos, I'm nearly ready. I edited all the footage from the beginning of my travel over here and then I'm ready and free for new experience, for new adventures and so on. So that's it. I say thank you for watching, thank you for your kind comments. Take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.